signs that your marriage is struggling are right in front of you and you don't even realize it?
It's not too late. Today we will help you recognize these signs and share how you can bring back the connection you once had.
Every relationship has challenges, but what do you do when you see the signs? That's what determines the outcome.
Stay with us because what we are sharing could change everything.
The first sign that a marriage is in trouble is indifference.
It's when you stop caring, when your partner's late nights or solo weekends don't bother you anymore. At first it feels like peace, but it's not peace, it's distance.
But here's the good news. This is reversible.
If you catch the distance early and reflect on what created it, you can bridge the gap.
Start by asking yourself, when did I stop caring and why?
Talk about it openly with your partner.
The second sign is when you crave too much me time. And when me time feels better than us time, that's when the cracks start to show.
You might find yourself creating excuses not to be around your partner.
If this resonates with you, don't worry. The solution is simpler than you think. It starts by asking, what part of me is avoiding my partner and why? Also, what part of my partner leads me to avoid spending time with them?
Connection isn't just about time. It's about how you use this time and when you connect with your partner spiritually, mentally, and emotionally.
When was the last time you said or heard the words, "This is all your fault, you are always like this," or "You never help"? That's the third sign.
Blame builds walls, not bridges. It stops communication and keeps both partners locked in defense mode.
Blame is easy. Responsibility is hard, but it's a key part of healing your relationship.
Accountability doesn't weaken you, it strengthens the bond. Next time you argue, pause and ask, what part did I play in this conflict? Even a small acknowledgement can change the entire conversation.
The fourth sign. If you're always noticing what your partner does wrong and rarely appreciating what they do right, then your focus is working against you.
Every relationship has flaws. What matters is what you choose to magnify.
Start small. What's one thing about your partner that made you fall in love with them? Share that with them today. You'll be surprised how quickly a compliment can melt resentment.
Of course, this compliment must be genuine and you must mean it with your heart.
The fifth sign. When you and your partner are living separate lives, chasing different dreams, it's easy to feel like roommates instead of partners.
A strong marriage needs a shared vision. You don't have to give up who you are, but you do have to create something meaningful together.
Take time to discuss your dreams, your fears, and what you both want from life. Don't assume you already know. Ask. It's in these conversations where reconnection begins.
Accept each other's perspective, show respect and understanding, and you will find what unites you.
Even if you recognize some or all of these signs, it doesn't mean that your marriage is over. What truly matters is that both of you are willing to try. The key?
Commitment, self-reflection, and mutual responsibility. But you don't have to face these challenges alone or spend months or even years trying to solve them without any progress. There is help and we are here for you.
We're launching a case study group designed specifically for newly married couples who feel disconnected due to constant arguments. In this program, we'll help you rekindle love and joy by cultivating crystal clear communication and building unshakable trust so that your marriage lasts forever. We are looking for 3 couples to participate and there's no cost involved.
If you are currently experiencing frequent arguments and unresolved conflicts, emotional disconnection and fading intimacy, miscommunication and feeling misunderstood,
and you want to build unshakable trust, communicate effectively without arguments, feel deeply connected both emotionally and physically, then this case study program is perfect for you.
Click the link below to book a free call with us.
And if our message resonates with you, subscribe to our channel.
Thank you for watching and see you soon.